To our top story at this today is, of course, International Mother's Day, and Standard Group has been running a campaign to celebrate some of our viewers who are mothers. Now, viewers were required to send in recipes, and 3 of the best recipes were selected, and the mothers are competing in a cooking competition at the Jacaranda Hotel, where the best cook will take this win a holiday in Diani. Let us now speak to our reporter, Chebet Birir, who is at Jacaranda Hotel. Good afternoon, Chebet. How far is the competition?
Good afternoon, Maringa. Yes, it is indeed a wonderful day where we're celebrating women who are mothers all over the world. And as you said, Standard Group has been running a campaign where they were able to select 4, not 3 recipes. So 4 of the recipes are going to be cooked here today. And as you can see, we have one of the competitors who is going to speak to us and tell us the story behind her recipe. Welcome to KTN News.
Thank you very much.
Tell us your name and the inspiration behind your recipe and how you got to be selected.
Okay, my name is Sadia Nasir. I'm a home-based chef. My recipe today is pilau, mutton pilau, which it's in honor of my mom, who taught it to me a long time ago. And why I chose this recipe, because it's an inspiration. When I lost my job during the pandemic last year, I didn't have anything to do and I needed to earn money for a living. So I started selling pilau, 1 kg pilau, a full bucket of pilau from home. And it really helped me because I got so many clients, especially here in Nairobi. And it really helped me to just get the days passing by until I got back on my feet. And this is why I'm doing it. This is why I chose this recipe. And it's in honor of my mom, who taught it to me.
That's a really nice story. Now, maybe if you can tell us how since you started cooking, how has your business been? Did it pick up, and how is it going so far?
For a while it did pick up, and especially during last year December, it was really good, and I really made a good profit from it. But unfortunately, during this the second lockdown, things really didn't go very well, so I just had to look for a plan B. But I still love cooking. I'm still teaching people cooking, how to cook, so it's all good. It helped me when it needed it to be there.
Okay, Maringa, as you've just heard, it's not been easy for every mother out there due to the pandemic. We also have one of the marketing managers at Jacaranda Hotel, Mr. Chege, who is going to tell us the inspiration behind selecting the recipes and who is going to, what is the winner going to take home?
Okay. Good afternoon. My name is James Chege, the Group Sales Manager for Jacaranda Hotels. We are proud to be associated with Standard Group in selecting the winners today. We thought that in honor of our moms, let us come with a competition that we are going to have people giving their recipes about what their moms used to do. And the most creative recipe is what we selected. So we selected 4 recipes that are going to be cooked today, and the chef is going to come and do the judging such that we're going to get the best. The winner is going to have 1 night for 2 here at Jacaranda Hotels. The other person is going to get a night for 2 at Lake El Mentaita. So that is what we thought. And just to let people know that Jacaranda Hotels is open for business.
All right. Thank you so much. That was a good initiative. Now, Maringa, if I can take you to what is being cooked. Right now, it's they're doing two competitors first, and then the other 2 will come in. So maybe you can tell us what you're cooking, madam.
Hi everyone. I am Mary. I am preparing beef stew served with spaghetti. It's my children's favorite. That's why I chose it. I'm so happy for this chance. I'm here to have fun and just have fun. Yeah.
Thank you so much, and all the best in the competition. All right, Maringa, as you've seen, that's what Standard Group has for Mother Day today. Back to you in studio.
So much, Chebet. Indeed, our reporter there joining us from Jacaranda Hotel.